Hey there and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Arrayformula function in Google Sheets. If you've ever wished you could apply a formula to a whole column without endlessly dragging it down or copying and pasting, this is definitely for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up Arrayformula so your calculations fill themselves in automatically and save yourself a ton of manual work. Let's jump right in. To really see how Arrayformula works, I've set up a sample spreadsheet with some example data. Imagine you've got values in columns A, B, and C, maybe products, quantities, and prices. And now you want to calculate the total for each row in column D normally. You might start by typing a formula in D2 like upwards but to C2, and then drag that formula all the way down for every row of data. But there's a better, smarter way with Arrayformula. Here's what you do. Click into cell D2 and instead of the usual formula, type this in. Upwards Arrayformula afata B2 B C2C. Don't worry, I'll break that down for you. What this formula does is look at your entire columns of data at once, not just one row at a time. The if part checks if there's anything in column A for each row to avoid filling empty rows with unwanted zeros or errors. If there are asterisk data in a row, it multiplies the value in column B by the value in column C, giving you your total. If the row is blank, it simply leaves that output cell blank as well. The beauty here is that Arrayformula takes care of all the repetition for you. As soon as you press enter, you'll notice magic happening. Column D fills up with results all the way down automatically. No more repetitive dragging or copy and paste. Now let's talk about why this is so useful. Maybe today your data set is just a dozen rows, but tomorrow you're importing hundreds more. With Arrayformula, your calculations will immediately expand to cover the new data. Think of it like installing a smart conveyor belt in your spreadsheet. Add more packages data at the start and the system keeps working. If you're new to this, it might look a bit intimidating, especially with those full columns as ranges like A2, A and B2, B, but don't worry if you're seeing blank rows at the bottom or results farther down than expected. That usually just means your formula is looking for data even in empty rows, which is totally normal. It's checking each potential row, but only giving results where there's actual information. And remember, you can adapt Arrayformula for all sorts of calculations, sums, text transformations, dates, you name it. The key is that you build your basic formula as if you're working with one row, then wrap it with Arrayformula and swap cell references for column ranges. If you ever want to stop the formula from running all the way down, just limit your ranges like A2, A20 instead of the entire column. That gives you more control, especially in large sheets. Alright, that's the power of Arrayformula in a nutshell. A massive time saver once you get the hang of it. If this helped clear things up, don't forget to hit the like button. Got questions about how to tailor Arrayformula to your own project? Drop a comment below, I love helping out. And for more practical Google Sheets tips, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. See you next time.